All right, last day of the week. Here we go. We're starting with the rhyming again. I'm going to say a word and I want you to give me 3 words that rhyme with it. It'll be okay if you can't come up with 3, okay? Zoe. Very good. Here's some words that Miss Sydney came up with. Toy, boy, joy. Next word, noil. Very good. Here's some words that I came up with. Spoil, boil, foil. Next word, loint. Miss Sydney only came up with 2 words, so point and joint. All right, this next section, I'm going to say a word. You repeat the word and the beginning sound. Royal. Very good. Next one, voiced. Very good. Cowboy. Very good. Right now, I'm going to break apart a word and then you put the word back together. Oil, soil. Very good. Out, count. Very good. Sound, out, sound. Very good. All right, we're going to punch out the final sound again. Point, point. Coil, coil, coil. Hoist, hoist. Very good. All right, now I want you to break apart the word that I give you, okay? Ready? Moist. Oi, moist. Louder. 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 Chowder. Chowder. All right, last one. I'm going to say a word. You're going to repeat the word, and then I'm going to tell you what sound to take away. You give me what's left. Choices. Take away as. Very good. Choice. Pointed. Take away ed. Very good. Point. Boyfriend. Take away friend. Boy. Very good. All right, I'll see you guys next week. Have a good weekend.